Hey guys, welcome back to Data with Dominic, and in today's video in the Power Query Editor series we're going to look at how to calculate a percentage of all, a fixed percentage of all the values in a particular column. So say we have a column such as freight, like I've selected in this case, and we want to calculate and make all the values in this particular column 10% of what they are now. Then we can use this percentage transformation. So how we do it is we select the column that we want to transform, come over to this transform tab. Inside transform we have standard, and then we can choose percentage. So once we choose percentage, we can just hit, suppose we want to make all values roughly 45% of what they are now. So then we can just enter the value 45 and click OK, and you can see the values have been reduced to little less than half, which is what 45% is. So that's how we use the percentage transformation in the Power Query Editor. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon. And we'll see you guys in the next video.